can look forward to. In India, when we say of PVC, mostly it's pipes, but then there is so much more to PVC than pipes. Globally, we have seen all other sectors and whatever we are going to cover today, they play very, very important and major role in the PVC industry. In India, yes, pipes is major, more than 75–78% I would say, but then other sectors which we are going to cover today, calendaring or wire and cable compounding, windows, flooring, these all are extremely, I would say, very, very vital part of PVC, and which time and again shows us that PVC is such a versatile material. It can be used in various applications, and today's session that we are going to start right now, it's going to prove that how PVC, it's mind-blowing, I would say. Of course, other polymers are there, but the kind of versatility PVC has, we can see from the session that we are going to conduct now. So, topic is innovation in applications, solutions for the future, and I am sure you all are looking forward to, as I am also, to hear from stalwarts and experts of industry from all other sectors. So let us start with calendaring sector, Bilcare. So Mohanji is a veteran of this industry, and this packaging of calendaring, okay, medical application, this gives the most, I would say, a positive aspect to PVC industry, because it gets used in healthcare and pharmaceutical. So without any wasting any further time, I would request Mr. Mohan Bhandari, Group Chairman, Bilcare Limited. Please, sir.
So good morning to all of you. It gives me great pleasure and honor to be part of Vinyl India. Thank you, Nidhi, the founder of Elite Plus. I know her for last several years. And this is such a lovely gathering of bringing all the stakeholders, whether they are from suppliers, whether manufacturers, consultants, advisors, and the most important patron of our industry, the Reliance people. We miss today Kamalji, who has been the founder, thought leader of this idea and bringing all of those stakeholders together. I'd attended this conference around 7–8 years back, and that time it was in one of the hotels. And from there, whatever I'm seeing today, it is so amazing to see the families growing every passing day. More particularly in the premises of this kind, just now, Nidhi was asking us whether we should change the venue back into some hotel. I would not like to do that, because this is such a fabulous place. Vibes of this comes from a very big industry and a thought leader, and the best captain of this is Dhirubhai Ambani, who has got this idea, and when his family has been able to bring that together in form of assets here. So coming back to the topic, the calendaring. So what are we talking about? Since yesterday we are listening various applications of vinyl, the PVC.
First of all, I thank Elite Plus, thank Nanavati ji, thank Nidhi ji for inviting me here and giving me this chance to present and make a presentation on wire and cable industry. I thank you profusely for that. Thank you, Puneet ji, and thank everybody on the dais and in the audience. Before I begin the presentation, I would like to say, we as a compounder, anybody who is in compounding business, we have to play a very, very important role in bringing the quality cable, because the compounding is one of the core raw material in cable industry. If the quality of the compound is not up to the mark, then the quality of cable cannot be up to the mark. And having said that, just to speak about wire and cable industry, though I am not a wire cable man, though we are supplying to cable industry for almost 4 decades, maybe 4.5 decades, it's a very vast and very deep subject. And at this moment, no doubt about it that wire and cable industry is witnessing one of the best period of lifetime, no doubt about it. And wire and cable manufacturer, definitely they have enhanced their capacity, not in terms of capacity only, but in terms of quality, in terms of innovation, in terms of R&D, in terms of different kind of products. Definitely they have introduced a long range of products, and we as a compounder has tried to play a very, very significant role in the growth of the cable industry. When we talk about cable industry, definitely it is directly related to the infrastructure industry and the growth of our country. So now I begin our presentation. Yeah, so in the intricate tapestry of India's growth story, the wire and cable industry serves as the very thread weaving connectivity, innovation, and resilience into the fabric of progress as we convey.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good afternoon, and good afternoon to the panelists. Today we will be talking about 2 presentations. First would be for Qres Technologies on behalf of Lukas Törngren. This is in relation to digital printing technology that we are introducing to the market. And if you are using the traditional foiling method to decorate your fenestrations, this is an alternate that we are presenting to the market where you can immediately adopt a design, render it, and start printing on the uPVC profiles. I will run you through a quick video giving you an idea of what this presentation or the machine is about, and then we can go through the further slides.
Lamination process creates several challenges for window manufacturers. All of these challenges can be solved by the innovative ArchiPrint technology, which is a direct-to-object printing system. It is based on digital inks and a bespoke Qres profile printer. The printing process is fast and simple. The pre-cut window frame elements are mounted on a fixture in the printing device. The printing head applies the decor pattern directly on the PVC or aluminum profile and instantly hardens it with UV light. The profile is rotated in the fixture to print on multiple surfaces seamlessly over rounded corners. The ready element can be used immediately after printing. Thanks to ArchiPrint technology, the number of design patterns is practically unlimited. ArchiPrint can also be used for printing on other items, such as external doors, garage doors, terrace and patio decking, garden fencing, facade panels, and also anti-burglary blinds. The use of ArchiPrint technology enables unprecedented freedom in selecting decors throughout the house, while eliminating foil lamination challenges. Quick setup and almost instant decor design change. On-demand production eliminates warehouse space. You don't freeze capital in endless rolls of foil and stacks of unsold inventory. Individual design requests are no longer a problem. Thanks to the
Elite Plus and Ms. Nidhi for giving me this opportunity to speak on this wonderful subject. The story of uPVC in India is a fascinating tale of innovation, evolution, and widespread adoption. It mirrors the country's economic and industrial development, emerging as a preferred material across construction verticals. Its journey is marked by its adaptability and the crucial role it plays in the nation's rapidly growing construction industry. The uPVC story in India is a testament as to how innovation coupled with economic and environmental factors can transform an industry. My presentation today takes us through the journey of the industry from its past to the present and providing insights into what might hold for the future. It's only when you look back into the past do you know how well you are traveling in the present and how well you can do in the future. uPVC windows were initially launched in Germany in 1954. They were bulky in shape. Subsequently, profiles with chambers, sleeker, lighter in weight were introduced. There are many reasons for uPVC windows gaining popularity in Germany, combining factors of innovation in material technology with energy efficiency and durability. These factors, along with a combination of factors like aesthetics, affordability, noise reduction, environmental awareness, accelerating the construction process, along with a host of other benefits, made it an ideal material for adoption across the world. In India, uPVC windows were initially launched in the early 90s. It was, however, a non-starter, owing to adoption of wrong business model, lack of concept selling, and existing.
Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, speakers on the dais. And thank you, Nidhi ji, for giving me this opportunity to present about PVC floorings to this August gathering here. You know, we have been discussing, friends, about the versatility of PVC. And during my presentation, I will inform you how PVC has, made PVC floorings affordable for the masses and also suitable for technical applications. And I will be also covering some aspects of exports and imports during my presentation. And PVC pipes are, of course, consuming around 70–75% of the PVC consumption in the country. But the other 25% sector, which is not PVC pipes, are highly threatened by the imports of lower priced products coming into the country, mainly because India is having a shortage of PVC production, which makes us slightly uncompetitive. So the polymer producers and processors, we should fight this menace jointly. So coming to my presentation, friends, about my company, RMG Polyvinyl India Limited. We are one of the largest manufacturers of sheet vinyl flooring in the country and are marketing the floorings in the brand Wonderfloor. We have two manufacturing units, one near Delhi and one near Chennai, and are producing in excess of around 40 million square meters and producing floorings for all segments, residential, semi-commercial, technical. We'll see in the presentation. Friends, we are also exporting our floorings. India, there's a good potential for exports all over. And we are exporting to more than 25 countries and winner of the top export award. So coming to my presentation about floor coverings. So we will be discussing about the different types of floor coverings and its
and to Mr. Arvind Goenka, Managing Director of RMG Polyvinyl India.
May we request Uday sir, Mr. Uday Chand, to please come on the dais and hand over Pulin ji his memento, please. Craig, you're waking up us all. We're already very awake. The session has been very, very informative. Thank you, Pulin sir. What a wonderfully chaired session. It is absolutely a peek into the new innovations, and all the speakers have done justice brilliantly well. Thank you so much. With that, we have 3 papers before we break for lunch. May I request Mr. Krishnamurthy, Deputy Managing Director, Commercial Chemplast, to bring along his speakers to the dais. And we will break for lunch and then continue with this session on stabilizers after lunch. Thank you, speakers. Much appreciated.